Dear humanity, dear humanity, dear humanity, this is how men and women of modern times look at their lives. They spend 365 days of the year paying men high wages, very, very handsome prices to craft and engage in what they say advanced knowledge of development. My people, when a people become worthless, they fail to recognize the beauty of life. With it, those creations of men and women, they find that these kind of crafts, weapons, they find these kind of crafts, they consider it an advanced whatever development or civilization. My people, you are a people sick and under the drunkenness of foolishness. Because if you are ready to spend 365 days of the year paying yourself high wages to craft and amass and collect these kind of crafts, my people, I tell you, many of you don't know that modern men and women of today, especially men who say that they are men who consider themselves to be warriors. In the Middle Ages, those men used to be gangs who could gang up and go in coliseums. In coliseums, places called coliseums. And they say, gladiator so and so, go on the floor and show us and so and so. And they said to hack themselves with machetes, spears and machetes. In modern times, they moved on, and I think we too, we moved on. Many of you, when I tell you that I'm hovering over the horizons, watching men and women intoxicated and trying to dance with the devil. Trying to dance with the devil. My people, human beings, I'll tell you something. The devil danced way, way, way before any human being was created. And with that, I say the devil knows how to dance. And when he starts to dance, none of you who modern men whatever can dance with the devil. That's why I say to you, you can run, but you cannot outpace me. If you find that these crafts of mass destruction are pleasing to your eyes, and you call them, you amass them as a way to say that you are intelligent. When we created human beings, we said, do not shed blood of one another. Do not commit atrocities against fellow human beings, even against the environment. A weapon like this would be tested on the environment in the 80s and whatever. Many used to say, we are going to test a nuclear, underground nuclear test, make an underground nuclear test. Today, there's the same people saying, oh, the heat is of the sun is too much. They say the heat. Men and women who used to test and say, we are testing a nuclear warhead. somewhere on planet Earth, a planet where they grow their food, where they gather what to eat, and when you explode it, or you test a nuclear warhead or whatever, it destroys billions of living creations, damaging the environment. Damaging the environment that looks after either yourself or your children or your future generations. Today, they're the same people saying the heat is the heat. I saw the yesterday news saying the heat in California, whatever is too much, or the heat or over the planet Earth is way too much. My people, it's me saying to you, what kind of life do you want on planet Earth? The one of spending 365 days of the year, accumulating crafts of this kind? Crafts of this kind? Tell me.